Hey everybody! On this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Codebook generator by Ruben Arslan. And this is part of our data dictionary project where we're teaching people how to make metadata for their data files. So Codebook here is an R package that allows you to make metadata codebooks, and Ruben has posted a really great tutorial on how to do this in R. So this tutorial is how to use the online codebook generator, which is especially useful for folks that are more familiar with graphical user interfaces and a little scared of R. So I'm going to do this on the MT Cars dataset, which is a car motor trend of the year kind of dataset with 32 cars and 10 variables. And so to get started, all you do is click Browse up here at the top. You find the file you're interested in, which for me is MT Cars. Click Open. And then mainly you just click Generate Codebook. There are a couple of other options that you can edit, and one of those is here. So I could say MT Cars dataset, or whatever title that you would like to give the option. And mainly you can put in, we collected this data from our studio, or give a description of your project here. So we collected the following data. This can also be edited. Otherwise, leave most of this alone. This is a markdown document if you're familiar with that. So then you click Generate Codebook. After it takes some time to run, you will get the codebook here on the right side, which includes output about your variables, missing data, and kind of a codebook table. The nice thing about Codebook is that if someone who was interested wanted to use the R code, it is there, kind of where you can hide or show it depending on kind of your interest in it. It's also a nice flowchart document where each part is linked. And so what it's got is, if we go back to the top here, some descriptions of the data set that we just entered. Then some metadata. So the data set name is My Awesome Data Set because I did not change it. Down here, so this is another piece that you could change, is the name of the data set. It tells me that it has 32 rows and 11 columns, and no data is missing, the date that I made this, keywords, which are the variable names. Walks you through each variable where you get sort of a picture of the data and summary statistics of the data, which includes mean, standard deviations, percentiles, okay, quartiles. And that's true, and it does each one for all of the variables here. You just scroll past all of these. Creates a missingness report for them, which shows that it has no missing data. It tells me the type of data that this was automatically chosen as. Tells me how many were complete, the sample size, mean, standard. It gives you all those pieces again in a nice downloadable format that I could save as PDF, Excel, or CSV. To save this to post online or keep for yourself, you click Download Codebook and then Save File. And for me, that will save as an HTML file, which is the same report that you just saw. Okay. So Codebook, arguably the easiest of the three that we're going to show you guys in a couple separate videos, because there's just a couple places that you can edit, and it makes the data set for you.